saying much, but I'm saying goats. I'm seeing goats. So in here we are filming the video, and this is sort of the little village that barn.
He lives in Stockholm City and bikes everywhere. All clothes are vintage except socks and underwear. He's a dresser in a show, gay and vegan too. I hope the stories of his life will entertain you.
How are you doing, Trampers? Welcome to Stories of My Life. So it's 4:30 in the morning, and I set the alarm for 5 o'clock in the morning, but I woke by myself, on my own, by my own, I don't know, what do you call that? I just woke up half an hour early, which is great, because then I can sort of take it easy. I just made coffee. Half an hour, go jump into the shower. Then I'm going to get dressed, get on my bike and go to David's apartment building, where we'll be picked up by a strange lady that I know. Almost 6 o'clock. Time to get on my bike. Yeah, I decided to go on my bike because the subway this hour is sort of, I don't know. And either way, no. At least the rain has not stopped. So, yeah, it's daylight soon, and David lives up here. And, wouldn't you believe it, I'm 8 minutes early, looking gorgeous. Oh, maybe I should. Yeah, looking gorgeous. No, stopped. So I'm meeting David here and Leia. Some of you might remember Leia from Tootsie, where she was makeup assistant to David. And also Anna is coming here. And we're meeting Johanna at the venue. Yeah, it's a venue. Who's here? Looking gorgeous early in the morning.
Yes.
How are you? No bag?
I don't need one.
Oh,
Bagless.
well, under your eyes, I see.
Bags.
Talk about the scaffolding here.
Yes. You're rebuilding the tower.
Yep.
Yep. So that goes up to the tower, and I live right on the right-hand side there.
Yeah. And someone's here. And there's a person who paid for this.
Yes.
Yeah.
The person who lives in the tower is
Yeah.
paying for it.
Madness. Here she is. Darling. Here she is.
Jag på göteborgska. Toyotan som finns. Det här med Rönningeby är rakt fram. Mer tänkte
So we're trying to
det där är en trafik.
get where we are supposed to go here. Which house?
Ja, det där är skitbra.
What barn? So no one is dressed for the occasion except me.
Får jag det?
So we are here, not quite sure where we're going, but it's a lovely place.
Look at those. Nu ska vi se.
Ja, får höra det. Se, det var en, om du trycker på den knappen. Här var det paraplyer.
Åh, vad bra.
Är det där inne, tror jag, eller?
Där kommer en ny här, tror jag.
Måste bara fixa till
So in here, Anna and we're gonna do miracles in here. And the rest of the,
Okej, det här är kostym.
thank you. So look, makeup mirrors
Det är huge!
for Barbie dolls.
Och så kan man faktiskt göra.
I am making coffee. It'll be legendary.
People will speak of this for years.
That cup of coffee that Joachim made at a time in that barn.
I've never had anything more disgusting.
Just checking in. I'm having vegan breakfast.
Jag tror att en taxi har använt det med Sanna eller de andra för att jag fick en
I can't talk right now, but I'm delivering necklaces for one of the actors.
Saying much, but I'm saying goats. I'm seeing goats. So in here we are filming the video, and this is sort of the little village that barn is in, and also goats that just run wild. It's after lunch. So this is you before lunch. Give me your face when you before lunch. And this is you after lunch.
Pizza.
5 o'clock, photo shoot over. All that is left is packing the car and saying goodbye to the beautiful, calm lake and the really nice house. And the car filled with interesting people. But more about that later. There is this. Goodbye. When you're out in the country, you often see beautiful things. Oh, you can't see it, but it's sort of, it's like a fog that's rolling in the deep. So I've just been dropped and almost killed. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you. See you up in my tower.
Oh, hello people. I'm home now. I slept about 4 hours last night. So, and I had a totally fine day. And now in the car back home to the city, I went sort of like, I felt a little bit like I was jet lagged. Yeah. Also, the good news is, remember last Monday, a week ago, I realised, wait, no, my ID has expired. And then I spent Tuesday and Wednesday trying to get a new passport and and a new ID. Look at those red eyes. And today I got a text saying you can come and get them. So a week later. That is excellent, isn't it? Problem is, hopefully I can, because tomorrow I'm doing another secret sort of photo shooty thing. So hopefully I can. I need to put the passport things, the old one, the expired one, and the receipt at the door, because I'm getting up not as early as I did today, but early tomorrow. It's 6:30 in the evening, and I've thought, I want to go to bed, but I can't, because then I sort of get up too early. So a couple of hours more and then oblivion.
City and bikes everywhere. All his clothes are vintage except socks and underwear. He's a dresser in a show.